So my name is Courtney Thorman. I am a junior ag ed major at Western. I am born and raised in Macomb, and today's date is April 23rd, 2020. Currently, this past semester, or beginning of the semester, I was taking like 15 credits, 6 classes. I was an officer in 4 clubs, was actively involved in 5. One of my responsibilities was the WIU Ag Mech Show this year. It went great, by the way. So obviously during spring break, everything kind of changed for us. So at Western, all our classes went online. I went from working 2 part-time jobs to working 1. So one of those jobs was Sara Lee merchandiser. So I was working maybe 5 hours a week in town, just pulling bread, stocking bread in town at various stores. And I lost my campus job, which was at the campus rec as an assistant, for maybe 10 hours a week. So I was doing classes online for the first few weeks after spring break. And one night, my mom's asked me if I wanted to go do some online shopping for Hy-Vee for a night, because she works there and was kind of in the middle of it all. And I was like, sure, why not? I needed something else to do besides being at home and working on school. And thinking it was going to be like 1 or 2 time thing, I was excited for something different. It's now been a 40+ hour a week job on top of school and on top of my other job. And it's random hours, so sometimes I was there at like 6 in the morning and was working till 6 at night. Other times I'm there at noon and I'm there till 10. Other times it was for 3 hours a day because they just needed the extra help. So right now that's kind of what my life looks like on top of being on school. So having an 8 a.m. class where I have to be there in person on video is kind of hard, but I'm managing. I'm working with my professors. I have some really good professors. I've been lucky that I was a good student overall in classes, so it's been hard being online, but we're doing it. We're managing, working together to figure out what works best for us. So